So students, let me discuss past perfect tense with you. What is past perfect tense? This tense is used to describe an action finished before another action in the past. So let me give you an example. Okay, so suppose you are coming to school, not now. In the past you used to come to school, right now it's not possible. So suppose you are coming to school and you came to school rather in the past. So and you got down from the bus and you heard, you were just about to enter into your school ground, suddenly you have heard that the bell rang. So the bell rang and you have reached the school. Both of these action happened in the past. But what is the action that happened at first? What is the first action? The bell rang. Yes, the bell rang. That is the first action in the past. And after that, you have reached the school. That's why you are late, obviously. So, the bell rang. It is the first action. After that, you have reached the school. That is the second action. And both of these actions occurred in the past only. So, here, for the first action that had occurred in the past, we have to use the past perfect tense. So here the bell had rung before I reached the school. After had, you have to use the past participle form of the main verb. Ring is the present tense, rang is the past tense and rung is the perfect tense. Like write, wrote, written, go, went, gone. Similarly here, ring, rang, rung. So the bell had rung because I told you this action happened at first. After that you have reached the school. So for the second incident, I have used here simple past tense. Sorry. Now come to the second usage of the past perfect tense. To describe the cause and effect. Example, I got stuck in traffic as there had been an incident. I got stuck in the traffic. Why? Why I got stuck in the traffic? Because there had been an incident. So the cause and the effect. Effect is I got stuck. And what is the cause? There had been an accident. That is the cause. So that is why we have used here past perfect tense. Okay, students? Now come to the third usage. To describe the result of an activity. Example, I had been to London as I got a job there. What is my activity? Okay, so the activity and the result of the activity is described through the past perfect tense. I had been to London as I got a job there. So students, let me give you some of the examples of the past perfect tense in assertive sentence. She had finished the test. Here she, it is the subject. Had, you have to write because it's obviously in past perfect tense. After that you have to write the PP form of the main verb. Okay, then the object, the remaining part of the sentence. Negative sentence, how will you write? Same. She had not finished the test. Subject, after that had you have to write. Then not. Then the PP form of the main verb. Past participle form of the main verb. After that the object you have to write. So, in interrogative sentence, I told you many a time that you have to start the sentence with the auxiliary verb. So, what is the auxiliary verb over here? Had. After that the subject, then the to be verb, the PP form of the main verb and then the remaining portion of the sentence. Then obviously the question mark. Had she finished the test? First the auxiliary verb, then subject, then the PP form of the main verb, then the remaining part of the sentence. So what is the rule? First you have to write the subject, then you have to write had, after that the past participle form of the main verb, after that the object. So students, let me discuss past perfect continuous tense with you now. So this tense is used to describe a past action that already started and continued up to another action in the past. The boys had been playing football for about an hour when it started to rain. So, the past action that already started and continued up to another action. What is the past action that started? At first, what is the action that started? The boys had been playing football. That is the action that had been started by the boys at first. And this action was being going on for some time in the past until it started raining. So the boys played football until it started raining. Okay, so for the first action, I am using here past perfect continuous tense because playing of football was going on for some time in the past. So that is why I am using here past perfect continuous tense. Now come to the second point. To express the duration before some action in the past, we also use past perfect continuous tense. Example, Reena needed a holiday as she had been working hard for 3 months. So what is the duration? Duration of the action? The duration of the action was 3 months. She had been working for 3 months. That's why she need a holiday right now. So that's why the duration, before the duration of the work, because of the duration of the work I am using here, she had been working. Okay, she had been working. This is written in past perfect continuous tense. So I have used this verb over here. Use this tense of the verb over here to express the duration. Okay, students? So let me give you some of the examples from the past perfect continuous tense. So in assertive sentence, how will you write this sentence? They had been playing tennis. First you have to write the subject. After that had, then been, then the present form of the main verb, then ing, then object. How will you write the same sentence in negative statement? They had not been playing tennis. Only not you have to add after the auxiliary verb. They had not been playing tennis. How will you write the same sentence in interrogative sentence? At first you have to start the sentence with had because it is an interrogative sentence. So had, after that subject, after that been, after that the present form of the main verb, then ing, then object, after that the question mark. Okay. Now what is the rule of this sentence? Very simple. At first subject, then had, then been, after that the present form of the main verb, then comes ing, after that the object. I hope that past tense is now quite clear to all of you. Thank you, students.